Ah, you found me. I was just in here looking for money. I really don't go trash can diving, but you won't believe what people leave on top and by the side of their trash cans. Here are a few items from my last find. This one even has a note on it. Of course, it needs a little paint job, but seems to work great. And over here we have a cool patio set, 4 chairs and a table, all made with heavy metal. Nice rocking action. This too could use a matching paint job, but that could be easily done.
Okay, want the Catalina wine mixer.
Yo, yo! Hey!
And I found this cool 50-inch Samsung TV.
Your brother wants a shot at the Catalina wine mixer.
I'm ready, I'm walking tall.
You think you're ready to run with the bolts?
I've been earning and burning, snapping necks, and cashing checks.
Someone decided they did not need these 3 soft gig bags for this one semi-rigid acoustic case. I found a couple of suitcases I might be able to get $5 a piece for. This cool standing lamp. It is missing a globe, but cool nonetheless. And last but not least, somebody tossed out their aluminum ladder.